Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best RC monster truck for beginners in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best RC monster truck for beginners in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Experience adrenaline pumping action with the Hayboxing 1/18 scale all-terrain RC car 18859. Engineered for high-speed thrills, this powerful 4WD electric vehicle reaches up to 36 kph, making it perfect for racing enthusiasts and off-road adventurers alike. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote control system, it delivers responsive handling and allows multiple RC cars to run simultaneously without interference. Built to conquer any terrain, its independent suspension system, rugged tires, and shock-absorbing design ensure smooth performance on gravel, grass, sand, or pavement. The splash-proof electronics and waterproof components mean you can take on wet conditions without worry. Whether you're climbing over rocks or speeding across flat tracks, the 4x4 drivetrain provides the traction you need. This RC truck comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, offering extended playtime and doubling the fun. Durable, agile, and fast, the Hayboxing 18859 is ready to tackle your next RC adventure. Perfect for both beginners and experienced drivers, is an exciting gift choice for kids and adults alike. Number 2. Hayboxing 114 RC cars, 42 miles per hour high-speed 4WD off-road monster truck. Experience the thrill of speed and rugged performance with a Hayboxing 114 RC car. Designed for hobbyist teens and adults alike, this powerful 4WD monster truck hits speeds up to 42 mph, delivering heart-pounding excitement on all terrains. Whether you're tearing across dirt, gravel, grass, or pavement, its robust suspension system and grippy off-road tires ensure superior handling and stability. Built to endure the elements, this RC truck is IPX4 waterproof, making it perfect for wet and muddy adventures. The Brush 550 motor provides incredible torque and acceleration, while the metal oil-filled shocks absorb rough impacts for smooth driving performance. This RTR ready-to-run package includes 2 7.4V rechargeable ion batteries, giving you double the driving time without long pauses. The included 2.4 GHz remote control offers interference-free operation and precise steering at a range of up to 280 feet. Whether you're an experienced RC enthusiast or beginner looking for powerful fun, the Hayboxing 114 RC truck delivers top-tier performance, durability, and excitement in one complete package. Get ready to unleash off-road action like never before. Number 3. Hayboxing 16890SA 116 scale 4WD Brushless RC truck. Experience high-speed excitement with the Hayboxing 16890SA 116 scale 4WD Brushless RC truck. Designed for thrill seekers, this powerful RC car reaches speeds up to 40 miles per hour, powered by a high-performance brushless motor and independent ESC for superior control and responsiveness. Built to dominate all terrains, its durable chassis, oil-filled shocks, and heavy-duty 4x4 drivetrain make it perfect for off-road adventures, whether it's sand, gravel, grass, or asphalt. With precision steering, strong suspension, and a semi-truck body design, the 16890SA delivers both rugged looks and reliable performance. Its 2.4 GHz radio system ensures interference-free racing with a range of up to 280 feet. The waterproof electronics add durability, allowing you to race in various weather conditions. Ideal for boys, teens, and hobbyists alike, this RC truck makes a fantastic gift for those who love fast-paced action and outdoor fun. Get ready to unleash power, speed, and adventure with the Hayboxing 16890SA, the ultimate all-terrain RC experience. Number 4. MEW4 116 Brushless RC car, 4x4 high-speed off-road truck, red/black. Experience unmatched speed and performance with the MEW4 116 Brushless RC car, a powerful 4x4 off-road beast designed for adult RC enthusiasts. This high-speed electric stadium truck reaches an impressive 42 km/h, delivering thrilling action on dirt, grass, gravel, and pavement. The compact yet robust 1/16 scale makes it perfect for both indoor fun and outdoor adventure. Equipped with a brushless motor, this RC truck offers greater efficiency, durability, and top-tier acceleration. Its 4WD drivetrain, oil-filled shocks, and rugged tires provide superior grip and control across all terrains. The precision steering system ensures tight turns and smooth handling even at high speeds. The MEW4's bold red and black design adds aggressive style to its high-performance frame, while the sturdy chassis is built to withstand flips, jumps, and crashes. Its portable size makes it easy to transport, so the fun follows you wherever you go. Whether you're a hobbyist or a competitive racer, the MEW4 RC car brings speed, control, and off-road excitement in one ready-to-run package. Unleash the thrill of RC racing with a vehicle engineered for adrenaline. Number 5. Unleash high-octane fun with the HyperG 14210H14 BMW3 114th brushless RC car, built for speed, power, and off-road domination. Designed for adults and advanced RC enthusiasts, this 4x4 beast features a brushless motor system that propels it to jaw-dropping speeds of up to 50 mph. Whether you're tearing through dirt trails, rocky terrain, or pavement, the HyperGo delivers extreme performance and thrilling acceleration. Equipped with independent suspension, all-terrain tires, and a metal drivetrain, this RC truck offers maximum durability and control. Its waterproof electronics make a fearless contender in wet or muddy conditions, so you can race rain or shine. The electric-powered system ensures consistent, high-speed runs with less maintenance compared to nitro models. The V3 version includes upgraded parts and a reinforced chassis for improved handling and stability at high speeds. With responsive 2.4 GHz radio control, you'll enjoy interference-free driving with a range of up to 100 meters. Whether you're into backyard bashing or serious off-road racing, the HyperGo 14210H14 BMW3 is engineered for adrenaline-charged action. Get ready to experience next-level RC performance that pushes the limits of what a 1/14 scale car can do.